I was waiting for ice box for so long, and Carl Griffiths said, "Oh, get some ice blocks for you." Nabbed them for me, and they're really good quality actually. Managed to get a tidy set too. We have the new lights to go on. They've had a good old polish and a clean up. They're stunning. Took the lenses off. Glue was old, so it was just a simple case of prying with a little screwdriver.
So using a bit too much of a caustic soap on the lights, I ruined the lens paint, the reflective lens paint, so I just thought I'd give them a quick respray.
Excellent stuff. Chrome effect spray paint. It's about £3 or something. What shop? And then these are being resprayed now. I'm just going to give them another little coat over, but they're looking gorgeous. All this is masked off then, and then they can be glued back with the lenses then over the top down there. So give them another little coat over, I will. I'm super pumped because the red ones I've got on there at the minute just don't look right on it. It's all blacked out and stuff, so I'm just going to go with a blacked out theme, black and silver. Do a quick before and after. So the front end. And I've got the red lights then across the back.
Look at that Saab. It looks so good. I can't believe how well it turned out. It looks amazing. It just needs a clean up and he's good to go now. Looking very nice, very nice.